Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Microsoft Edge is crashing frequently, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, if you search for Microsoft Edge, there is no option to uninstall it as you can see because it is not supposed to be uninstalled. Okay, so what can you do in this case? Open it. If you're able to open it, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol, change the time range to all time and clear now. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select extensions and then manage extensions and remove any unnecessary extension from here, especially any extension that is a third party troublesome extension. Then click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can go to settings. You can go to reset settings, restore settings to the default value and reset it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.